Today I want to show you this puzzle from AliExpress. I think AliExpress is getting better. It took less than 2 weeks. Okay. Ooh. What is this? SMK-25 Mini, and this is the brand. Okay, this is the spec under the box, and let's open it. There's an instruction. A USB-C cable. It looks quite nice. It's small, and from this side is the brand here, USB-C, and here also shows some connectivity of different options. Okay, now let me give you a demonstration of the features on the keyboard. I'm not a musician, so I don't understand all this terminology, so I just go through it randomly and show you some features. I'm using my Galaxy Z Flip, the old one, Android 13. I'm going to use this app. This is the only free app I could find. If you know other better one which can work with Bluetooth MIDI, just let me know. I couldn't find any free one for that. You can see here that there's a MIDI Bluetooth. I tried already, but somehow it connected but didn't work. Sometimes it worked and it disconnected again. So in this case I'm going to use a USB cable. As you can see, there's a option for USB-C here. This is the USB cable came with the device. It's USB A to C. Unfortunately, I need the USB-C to C cable. This is from one of my charger, so I'm going to use this because I need to connect it to the phone. So I'm going to plug it here and my phone. Okay, let's turn it on from the side here, and the display is showing something. Let me remove the protector here. Ooh. Unfortunately, after I finished doing the recording, I realized that the audio from the keyboard is quite soft. You basically can't hear it in my video. Now I'm going to do it again with my Bluetooth speaker. Technically, I can connect the keyboard to my USB-C and use the Bluetooth audio to the speaker. But the latency is so high that I don't want to use it. At the moment, I'm going to use the audio connection here. So then I need to connect to my phone. The problem is that my phone only has a USB-C for the headphones. So this one is the analog, go to this. I'm using the digital analog converter from my Sennheiser headset. I've done another video for this as well. So now this one has to go to a USB hub because this will go to my phone. So I need two USB connection. This one go to the audio, this one go to the keyboard. This is only my setting. It's a little bit complicated. I've got another video for this USB hub as well. I will put everything in the description. Okay, now let's connect it to the phone and start the app. Okay, I think that's the loudest I can get. So I just want to demonstrate the dynamic key. So that's very nice. maybe I want to change the music instrument to make it louder. First, I want to show you this button here on the side, and if I hold it, this is pitch down, pitch up, and modulation, and sustain. This one is, you can turn it on, you can see the light is on here, and you can see now it's gone off. And this is the arpeggiator. That's the new word I just learned. I'm not a musician, so I have no idea. So I will show you this in a second. And this one is octave. Basically, will go down, up, and this one is Bluetooth connection. So, okay, now let's go through the arpeggiator function. This is this button here. So you can see it's on. Now I can play one note. You can see it repeating. I can hold this button and select the up here. And try the down. This one is inclusive, so it will play 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. And this one will play 1 2 1 2 1 2. And this one is random. And this one is order. I haven't figured out how to do it. Somehow it's playing according to the order when I play the note. Let's turn it on. I don't know what that is. And this repeat, I don't know. It's repeating anyway. So I'm not too sure with the order and repeat. And this is the octave. I can make it higher. 4. Back to 1. So it's playing the same octave, so 1 and 2. And latch is whether I have to on, is I can let the key go and it's still playing. If I turn it off, when I let the key go, then it will off. And the gate here is to adjust the length of the note. And this is minus, make it shorter. And the tab is I can adjust the speed. So basically if I have a piece of music running, I just tap the speed here. I have to hold it and tap it and it will adjust the speed if I tap faster. Now I let it go and I play it. And still faster. So the swing here is adjusting the relative between two notes. That's what I understand. Minus, plus. So you can hear the difference. And tempo is just the tempo as it is. So just like the tap. The tap is when I adjust the speed by tapping. And this one is adjusted by figure, so I can adjust it here. I'm not too sure about the thing. And this one is just changing the speed as well. When I put this one here, you can see 1/8, 1/16, 1/32. Whoop. And this button is for playing call here. Now you can see it's on. Let's put the latch here. So that's all about the arpeggiator. Okay, now I want to show you MIDI via Bluetooth. As I mentioned before, I couldn't get a free app which worked with Bluetooth, and I'm now on my Windows laptop. I'm using Windows 11 and it doesn't work out of the box. You need to download the BLE MIDI driver from Call here. I will put a link in the description. So that's where you download from. Okay, I've installed the driver on my laptop already, so I can turn it on now. Okay, looks like the Bluetooth is connected. Now let me start my LMS. Now I have to pick a music instrument. Say this one, I like this one. And I have to pick the MIDI input. You can see that's the SMK-25, my keyboard here. And open the piano roll. So let's play, you can see the sound. And I can record it. Now play it. My masterpiece. So you can see there's no wire attached. Everything via Bluetooth. It works beautifully. So my verdict. I quite like it. This is the name of the device. And I like the small display here. It's very useful, and the knob. And also the fact that I can use the USB to connect the MIDI as well. So just in case there's latency problem with the Bluetooth. I'm not too sure with the arpeggiator here. Maybe I still can use it because I buy it mainly for my light. I've done another video using MIDI controlling the light, so maybe I can use it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find the video useful, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.